Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX has shown some short-term strength, but we're still printing lower lows and lower highs, and we are still moving in the corrective price channel. So for me, there's no convincing signal yet that we've actually bottomed in this wave 2. I know there are a lot of bears around already, and yeah, I mean, short-term price action is still bearish, but we are in that area where we're watching for a potential reversal. And there's still a chance for the bulls to make a comeback here. The main support level in this so-called 1-2 setup, this sort of potentially bullish structure, is $13.39. So as long as we don't get a sustained break below that level and there is still plenty of space, this chart isn't particularly bearish. I mean, it is not a great chart either. I mean, I have to say that it's not the cleanest 5-wave move up, but yeah, crypto charts are not always beautiful. So we give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, but I have to say at the same time, I'm still cautious because the in this wave 2 correction, even though we are holding support, but the so-called 100% extension level of the A wave in the correction, which was this move down, yeah, which is an ideal target for the C wave, which is this move down. Well, that 100% extension target hasn't been reached. That's 1884. So there is no absolute must to get there, but it's not common for a C wave not to reach it. And therefore, I'm cautious. I think the low could be in, but I need further evidence, like a break out of this corrective price channel to the upside, okay? And a break above the $30 level. And we're going to zoom in and take a look at why this is so important. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see here that, yeah, I mean, I've got it as listed as alternative that the low is already in, but we haven't printed any higher highs or higher lows. So I'm still cautious. Okay, we're still in the corrective price channel below the upper trend line there, upper boundary line of the trend channel. Again, therefore, still on the side of caution. This 1880 level, I mean, had that been reached, then I'd be a bit more optimistic. But I'm very happy to be impressed. So if the price can hold the micro support region I've added to the chart, which is between $23 and $24.61, break out above the green line, then we have at least something to work with. And I would follow this yellow micro count more, let's say, with more confidence. And in this yellow micro count, we can see how a 5-wave move up would look like. I can't even give you the fib levels yet because I'm not convinced that this yellow wave 2 has actually bottomed in the micro support region. The rally is only in 3 waves and it's weak and hasn't even broken the previous high. So I'm still a bit skeptical, right? That's the idea, that we just have to be a bit on the side of caution. If you want to trade for the upside, I mean, you know, it needs to hold $23 ideally. The invalidation point is $21.90. That's the beginning of yellow wave 1. I mean, that's the black and white invalidation point. Below the support range, there is still a bit of wiggle room, right? But yeah, if it's invalidated, it's invalidated. And therefore, you know, if we see a break above the price channel and the $30 level, which is the previous wave 4 high and the last significant swing high, then I would follow that yellow wave structure with more confidence. I mean, if the low is already in this smaller degree wave 2, and we've actually bottomed today in this local wave 2, then the third wave should get to the 1.38 extension. It's actually at $34.27 or higher. And the fifth wave needs to get to the 1.618, which is at $36.31. But I'll take these fibs off the chart because I'm not convinced yet that we've bottomed, and otherwise I have to move them all the time. So want to see a little bit more upside momentum there. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.